All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 short wheelbase with 32,000 miles. Beautiful white with black vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper, it's got a little dent here. Rest of it looks pretty good. Your hood looks good. Your fender here looks pretty good. It's your front passenger, front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread, over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Let's have some scratches. Boom, boom, boom. More scratches here. Another scratchy there. Some more little scuffings here. Some scuffings on the molding pieces. Boom, boom, boom. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Rear driver steel wheel. And your tire thread is at 530 seconds. Of course, you get your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Got power windows, power door locks. Jump into this vehicle. Turn on for you guys. Does come with one key fob. One key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Matter of fact, the owner's manual is over there. All right. Got your AM/FM stereo systems. Missing that button. Excuse me. Missing that button there. But the radio works. All right, you got your AC controls right down below. All right, you got your cup holders down here. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and except for tire pressure, and your mileage of 32,516. Looks good. Keeps the lights on. Well, lights are on. Keeping it moving. Coming around at this and around. All your lights on top are working. Lights are working. Bumper is good. Doors look decent. All right, they roll all the way out there. Likewise here. Boom. This door looks good. The paneling is a little beat up, as typical. This is what your rear trunk space looks like. Very nice. Here's your other paneling, what this one looks like. So it's got a little cracking here as well. All right, your wheel well moldings look pretty good. This one has like a dent over there, as you can see, and this one has a couple of dings. No big deal. All right, coming around. This corner here looks good. The moldings have some scuffing. That's about it. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds. Let's look at it again. Under 430 seconds. Alright. I know it's a shorty and I shouldn't really worry about the roof, but I'm still gonna go up there and check it out for you. There's a shot of it. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Some dirt here. Yeah, some dirt or something. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm scared it might have been a roach. No. Got some heavy scratches here. Running along. A couple more over here with little dings. Looks like from doors. Really opening and shutting. This is one of your side compartments look like. Boom. Very nice. Boom. Boom. What is this? Now, as you can see, it is missing that little molding piece down there on the bottom floor. This door I already showed you guys. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Let's see what's in here. A bunch of garbage. I have to take it out. I might even find that button for that radio in there. Alright. Got some scuffing here on this corner bumper and pieces here. Boom, boom. Here's your the front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is under 430 seconds. That's about it, folks. Lights on top are working, lights in here are working, things look great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 32,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.